Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. Today I've got new collection from Beetles. These were sent to me and I'm so excited. Look at these colors. Ah! I've wanted some neon polishes like this for so long. Look how beautiful this is. Look at these colors, guys. Oh my god, I cannot get enough. I cannot help my excitement right here, guys, okay? These are freaking gorgeous. Like, look at that! Do you see that? Oh my god! I promise I'm not gonna be all crazy this whole video, okay? I'll dial it down, but oh my god. Oh, it's so pretty! Are you guys seeing this? Can you see how pretty these are? And this one too, this collection is just as pretty. Oh, so pretty. So this one that I'm going through here, this is the Happy Harvest collection from Beetles Polish brand. You can get both of these sets on Amazon. And the first collection was the Fluorescent Fall collection. You guys, look at this color. This is like my favorite out of the set. Look at that. Oh, I love olives. Oh my gosh. It is gorgeous. And then this butterscotch, beautiful. Just beautiful. And then this like a soft pink. I'm in love. What do you guys want to see me do with these? Let me know what you want to see. I would love to do some looks with them, and you're going to see them a lot. So let me just show you the swatches. Honestly, guys, these are such good quality. Their matte top coat is by far my favorite gel matte top coat, and these sets for the 6 polishes are $16.99 on Amazon. You cannot beat that price and the quality that you get. Oh my god. It's you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with Beetles products, guys. Look at these. They are so bright. Oh, I love them. And okay, guys, pink is not my color, okay? But oh my god. Look how pretty this is. Oh, I love it. I love it. I was so excited for these. I wanted fluorescent colors so badly, and here they are. So in between each swatch, I was just doing a flash cure, and then after doing all 3 nails, I did the full 60-second cure. And my second layer here, I'm only doing on half the nail, just so that we can see what it looks like with one layer. And then what it looks like with both layers, the full color. And I bet if I mixed these with a bit of clear gel polish, it would be more of like a jelly look. I think I'm going to try that because that would be gorgeous. I don't have any jelly polishes yet, and I think these would work so well with that. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm just writing down the numbers for all the colors and the brand so that I can keep track of these on my swatch ring. I'd never seen swatch sticks like this that came with 3 on a stick. I got them on Born Pretty. I'll try to link them down below if I can find them again for you. Look at this color, guys. Oh my god. This green is beautiful. Again, green, not my color, but this green is freaking gorgeous. I love it. Really, the only greens I like are like olives, and I love olives, but this green, ugh. Like all of them, guys, all of them, I love them. There is not one color in either of these sets that I did not like, okay? And this one's kind of sheer, even more so than the other one. So this would be a perfect jelly look with just a tiny little bit of top coat added in with it. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. Or if you just wanted to do like a sheer overlay over top of like a bloomed rose design, oh, it would be perfect for that. Love it. And look, when that second layer goes on, they get even more vibrant, if you could freaking imagine. Oh, it's incredible. I love it. And once the top coat goes on, guys, these colors are just perfect. They're just perfect. I was so lucky to have these sent to me. Thank you so much to Beetles for sending them, because, oh, I'm in love. My next video is going to be my Born Pretty haul, but after that, you'll be seeing me use these colors because I just can't, okay? I can't. This one's like a sky blue, but it's got like almost a smokiness to it. I don't really know how to describe it, but like, look at this color, guys. How beautiful is this? And for fall, these are going to be gorgeous. Like, I'm going to be wearing these all fall long, okay? They're just perfectly like desaturated enough to be not super vibrant, but still beautiful, bright colors. Like, how do you even describe this? It's, let me know how you guys would describe this, because I can't. They're so pretty. And this one's like a wine. Oh, beautiful. Just the perfect red for fall. They did such a good job with these collections. Like, honestly, guys, these are perfect. I think they had like 4 more collections that they came out with for fall as well. And like, oh my gosh, they're all so pretty. I'll definitely be getting my hands on some of their other collections because I just can't, okay? And here it is, guys. This is my favorite out of the bunch, honestly. Look how beautiful this color is. These polishes are so creamy, so beautiful. Honestly, I probably didn't need to flash cure them in between because they're just perfectly thick. They go on beautifully. Oh, they're perfect. And like I said, guys, for the price, you cannot beat these. Look at that butterscotch too. I never thought that I would like a brown like this on my nails. Like, I wear nudes and things. I wear dark browns. I'd never worn like an orangey brown, but this one, butterscotch, yes please. And this light pink is perfect. Like, you can combine this with anything and it's gonna be beautiful. Just the perfect amount of pink in there. It almost looks white, but it's not. It's pink. I love it. And then look how they get like more opaque and the color just like brightens up a bit, darkens up, I guess, on some of them. When you add that second layer on, they're beautiful. And you guys, after I do this part, I'm gonna do 1/2 the nail glossy top coat, 1/2 the nail matte top coat. Some of these colors in matte, oh my god, I love them even more than the gloss. Like that green, like this whole stick in the matte, I love them. Look at the colors, guys. Like, how can you not love that? So the Fluorescents didn't have a sticky layer that I found, but the Happy Harvest collection, it did have a little bit of stickiness, not real stickiness, not like an inhibition layer, just a tiny bit sticky. So I just wipe that off with some alcohol. And like I said, I'm using both top coats are from Beetles because their top coat, just all their stuff is just great, guys. It's great. Look at these. Look how these colors look in that matte. Like, oh my god. Like, I didn't think I could like them more, but geez. Look at these colors. Ugh. Okay, guys, I'll shut up now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think below. Let me know when you're picking them up, what color is your favorite. Make sure you like the video and hit subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!